Today, I'm going to show you how to make a paper snowflake. There are different levels of challenging ways to make a snowflake that you are welcome to attempt, but I'm going to show you one way to make a paper snowflake. To begin making any kind of snowflake, though, you need to have a square piece of paper. So you can take a paper from the Origami Center or a paper from the drawing or collage. If it's not already perfectly square, here's how you do it. You take one of the corners and line it up with the edge. Fold it and hold it down really tight and crease it. Then cut off the extra rectangle that's hanging off the edge. The part that you folded, if you were to unfold it, now is a perfect square. But we still have this leftover rectangle. So you're going to take this leftover rectangle and do that again. Fold the one corner to the other edge, make a crease, cut off the rectangle, and you're going to keep doing this until you're out of paper. Which you can see that I did here by taking the excess rectangles, folding them and cutting them into squares. I ended up with 4 small squares and a little tiny piece. So now today I'm going to teach you how to make a 8-sided snowflake. So first you're going to take one of your squares and fold it in half like a hot dog. Then fold it in half like a smaller square. And then you're going to fold it in half, but this time into a triangle. So hot dog, square, triangle. Now check out the way that your small triangle is. There are 2 short sides and 1 long side. There are also a spot on the triangle where all of the folds meet and a part where it's all open. The part where all the empty edges are, you're going to leave alone. You're going to take the short side with the folds and fold it to the long side. It is very important to pay attention to where the folds are. You can see here that this is where all my folds meet, which will be the middle of my snowflake. But on the other side is where all the open sides are. I don't want to begin cutting right away. First, though, I want to take my pencil and draw in my designs. You can see here I just drew some simple triangles, and then I went in with my scissors and cut out the triangles, keeping all of the scraps in the middle of my table so they didn't get lost. And then I gently unfolded my snowflake to reveal my awesome design. When I was opening it, I noticed a funny edge that I just cut off, but you can see that this is an 8-pointed snowflake, and I'm very, very proud of it. If you are unsure of a design to cut into your snowflake, I've given some ideas for you on the board. You can look at these patterns and see what they look like cut and what they look like unfolded. What you do is you cut away the gray area. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you're cutting away shapes is that you are cutting away a half of a shape. So here I have a circle, half of a circle, half of a square, half a heart, and half triangle, half star. And then on the edge with all the folds, I did a zigzag. Once I cut out all these designs, you can see that they turned into a full part of that shape. There was a full star. Here's half of a heart created a full heart. Half of a square creates a full square, and so on and so forth. It's only half, and when you unfold it, you can see you get the full shape. So have fun designing your amazing snowflakes and enjoy class today.